Hello class. Today we are going to discuss one of the important thing as a chapter. Have you people ever enjoy the breeze when you are in home or outside the home? Have you people noticed that trees, climbers, plants were swaying? It's all because of air which is present around us. Air does not have any color or order. We cannot see the air, but we can feel the air. Air is one of the important substance which helps our living better, which is not better, it is completely essential for our living. All the living organisms need air for their living in different ways. We human beings need oxygen, one of the important gases present in the air for our living. Oxygen is essential for our breathing. Oxygen is also essential for burning. Let's explain through this experiment. I had lighted two lamps here, you can see. Now I am going to put glass over one of the lamp. I had cut the air supply to one of the lights. It is getting diminished when other is consistently burning. Now it get put off. I had cut the air supply, that is oxygen supply, to the lamp. So it had been put off. The another lamp is getting oxygen supply thoroughly, so it is burning continuously. Oxygen helps burning. Oxygen is essential for burning purpose also. The oxygen in the air is 21%. The 21% of air consists of oxygen. What other gases were present in the air rather than oxygen? Have you people noticed when you are opening an aerated drink bottle like Pepsi, Coca-Cola or some other 7-Up or some local sodas, it comes bubbles out of the bottle. It is because of the carbon dioxide dissolved in the aerated drinks. But people avoid aerated drinks, it is hazardous to our health. Okay. The carbon dioxide is important for plants to prepare their own food. But it's not, we exhale carbon dioxide, plants inhale carbon dioxide because it prepares their food with the carbon dioxide. Okay. Carbon dioxide in the air presence in 0.03% only. Okay, oxygen is 21%. Carbon dioxide is 0.03%. What is the major part of the air consist of? The 78% of air consists of nitrogen. Nitrogen is one of the important gas in the mixture of air. Nitrogen helps the plants to grow. Nitrogen is very important for their plants growth. It is 78%. Let's explain through this picture. Have you people can see this, right? The major part of the diagram is nitrogen. Let's consider this as a particle of air. The particle of air consists 78% of nitrogen and little amount 21% of oxygen. The green one is carbon dioxide and the red is other gases. I have another picture to explain this with the percentage amount. This is 78% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen and 0.03% of carbon dioxide and 0.97% like water vapor, other dust particles were present in the mixture of air. Have you people noticed that when we are getting the water into boiling stage, it will produce air bubbles? It is the air had been turned as bubbles and then it was turned as water vapor while it is burning. Now the air consists of oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen and water vapor and other dust particles. In the earth, there is a 1000 kilometer thick amount of air is present as an atmosphere which maintains the suitable environment and climate for our living. This air helps as present as atmosphere helps our better living in this space. Air is one of the important thing for all our living. It consists of 5 important gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and other particles. Okay, let's see detail in other classes. Bye.